back to my channel. It is that time of year again. Love is in the air and Valentine's Day is coming up fast. So if you're looking for something fun to do with your family, your friends, your significant others, this is the recipe for you. Ladies, if you are looking for something to do on Valentine's Day, this recipe is great to use. And for those who are age appropriate, this is a great thing to pair with some nice glass of wine. And fellas, if you're into cooking and stuff, you can totally do this too with the rest of your guy friends. I just don't know what you guys call the replacement of Valentine's Day. If anybody knows what's the quote-unquote holiday for guys during Valentine's Day, please comment it down below because I'm actually curious. So with that being said, let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To get started, lightly spread butter over your 8x8 pan. Then line your pan with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Make sure to keep a little bit hanging over the sides so it is easy to remove. Once that's done, put it off to the side and let's start making some fudge. In your saucepan, add in 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 14 ounces or 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then place your saucepan over the stove on medium heat and stir continuously until everything is melted. If you want to add more flavor, you can also add a tablespoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, it is all melted. It looks so good and smells delicious. We are going to remove it from the stove and scoop it into our baking pan. Using your spatula, spread the fudge evenly throughout the pan. Then place it into your refrigerator for at least 3 hours or until it is fully chilled. All right, it's been 3 hours. Time to cut up the fudge. Remove the parchment paper from the pan. And with your knife, cut it up into fun pieces and you got yourself some delicious fudge. If you want to go a little extra, grab a heart candy box and fill it up with your delicious fudge. This is a fun, sweet idea to do to give to your friends and family, significant others, or even just yourself.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this lovely, sweet Valentine's Day fudge video. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any more baking videos. Once again, if any of you guys recreate any of the stuff that I've made on this channel, please send it to me at this Instagram account and I will give you a shout out. Hope everyone is still staying safe and well and have an awesome Valentine's Day weekend.